So our topic for this video is CNC lathe programming, turning an outside diameter, programming it by hand. So we start with a G28, which is moving the machine to home position, T101, which is the tool number I decided to pick for this tool. So it would be turret position 1, offset 1, G0, which is rapid, G20, which that would verify inch coordinate position, G40, which is tool nose compensation cancel, G80, which is can cycle cancel, and G99, which puts us in feet per revolution. Then we have a G50, which is max spindle speed, and for our machine we decided that needed to be 1500 RPM, so we have an S of 1500. Then a G96, which is constant surface speed, so this will adjust depending on the stock up to this. It will never go faster than the 1500. So our book says 800, so we have an, for carbide, so we have an S of 800 RPM, or 800 being the surface speed, an M03, which is the chuck on forward. G54 is our tool offset. X of 1.1 and a Z of 1 is where it's going to go from the home position to this position, which would put us 100 thousandths bigger than the stock because our stock's an inch, and a Z of 1 inch in front of Z0. So we would be 100 thousandths bigger than our 1 inch stock out here, and then we would be an inch in front of Z0 out here. Next move simply pulls us into a Z of 0.1, so we're 100 thousandths in front, and then we go into a feed move. So G01 is a feed move, and we're going to move to X of 0.950, which comes from our outside diameter, a feed rate of 12 thousandths, which comes off our insert box or a website or something like that, as long as you go with what's on your cutter. An M8, which is coolant on, and then we go to a Z of negative 700 thousandths. So we're going to go 700 thousandths up past Z0 this way, which leaves room for a part off or any other thing we might need to do. And then we're going to go X of 1.1, which pulls us back out in a cutting move. So we come over here and then straight back out, flattening out whatever wall is left. And then from there, we just want to go to a safe position. So we're going to go G00, Z of 0.1, and M9 to shut the coolant off. So now the spindle's still running, the coolant is off, and we would be 100 thousandths out in front and about, let's see, we'd be 150 thousandths over our diameter out off of it because we just took off 50 thousandths. From there, you can go to finishing the program, or you can go into another part of a program to maybe cut this or part it off so you can turn it over and then cut that, whatever your imagination or whatever your print requires.